Namo Venkateshaya. TTD should initiate Garvapasi and stop conversion to Christianity. In order to protect and promote Hindu Dharma, TTD must initiate Garvapasi, welcoming back to Hindu Dharma those who converted to Christianity for various dubious and questionable reasons. As per the guidelines of Hindu Dharma Prachara Parishad, the arm of TTD is to preserve, propagate and promote Hindu Dharma as the official dharmic face of TTD. Thus, initiation of Garvapasi is consistent with the agenda of HDPP. It is time for TTD to look at what is happening in the state and India. Rampant Christian conversions are snatching away our Hindu population from practicing Hindu Dharma. It is time to take stern measures to propagate our faith and expose the true, atrocious, bloody, absurd, obscene, tyrannical, murderous, and deceptive nature of Christianity. Why should TTD initiate Garvapasi? Number 1. Population of Hindu faith is declining. As per the 2011 census, Christians constituted only 1.4% in Andhra Pradesh. Relentless conversion efforts over the last 8 years have yielded a bumper crop. On May 20, 2020, the AP government recognized the Christian population at 18%. But the actual percentage of Christians is likely to be around 30%. Why such discrepancy? With the population of Muslims at 10%, there are only about 60% Hindus in Andhra Pradesh. Number 2, why Christian population is not reported accurately? Christian population is purposefully underreported and suppressed. Pastors instruct their converts not to reveal their faith, to reap the benefits of being Dalits. Also, to make Hindus believe that their numbers are not a threat to their faith. They are like termites working underground to collapse the Hindu edifice. Third, churches are being built with no permits. Illegal construction of churches all across Andhra Pradesh is happening over the years. We all know how many churches are built with no morals, no scruples, all across Andhra Pradesh and India without ever receiving permission from the authorities. Even in Tirupati, they built more than 50 churches without permission either from the collector's office or other authorities. TTD should request the district collector to demolish these churches that are built without permission. In fact, TTD should make every effort to ensure the sanctity of Tirupati by declaring 50 kilometers radius is Punya Kshetra, where no other religion would be allowed to practice similar to Mecca and Vatican. If you cannot build a Hindu temple in Mecca and Vatican, why should we allow the mosques and churches built in the Tirupati and Tirumala? Number 4, for Christian pastors, it is a business. More Hindus they convert, the more money they get from the foreign countries and from the converted Hindus who are required to pay 10% of their income. They find people who are experiencing financial problems, health problems, admission to educational institutions, and lack of education. They exploit them to the fullest. How can an illiterate person change his religion overnight unless he is lured with incentives or by other force? Number 5, as per the injunctions of Christianity, Hindu temples can be attacked. After the new government, the Christians have emboldened their conversion spree. Consequently, Hindu deities are defaced and broken. Hindu gods are maligned and insulted. Bible clearly asks the Christians that they must burn the image of their gods, burn their idols in the fire, destroy all their carved images and cast idols, and demolish all their high places. You must not bow to their gods. Instead, you are to demolish them and smash their sacred stones to pieces. The Christian missionaries are a threat to the very existence of Hindu population. They say Christianity is the only true religion, Jesus is the only savior, and non-Christians are condemned to eternal fire. Hindu gods may be broken or smashed since they are an abomination to Jesus. Even Hindu altars may be cut down. For them, Lord Venkateswara is a mere stone and a Satan to be broken. But Hindus believe him to be the most sacred, powerful, and wish-fulfilling deity. Number 6. Hindus are sinners, so are TTD Trust Board members. As per Christianity, TTD members and all Hindus are sinners and burn eternally in hellfire because you are not accepted the Jesus. Is this what you accept for yourself and the rest of the Hindus? As a Hindu, do you permit the Christians to call you as a board member, a sinner to be burned eternally? Number 7. Christians are creating divisions, strife, friction, disharmony, and ruckus not only in their own families but in the society at large. Jesus said that, "Do you think that I have come to bring peace to the earth? No, I tell you, but divisions." It is by creating conflicts in the family they are converting one by one. Ghar Wapasi must be started. To counter this rampant Christian conversion of Hindus, Ghar Wapasi is the only answer. TTD should employ Ghar Wapasi Pracharaks, train them to be acquainted with the richness and grandeur and treasures in Sanatana Dharma and its uniqueness, its non-violence, its tolerance, and accommodative nature. We should also train them to know about the bloody, bold, brutal, ruthless nature of the Bible and how it is different from Bhagavad Gita. Ghar Wapasi Pracharaks should be appointed all across the state to do two things. 1. Stop the conversion and make Hindus aware of these vultures who are waiting to snatch away from our faith. To bring back those Hindus who got converted through deception, fear, and allurement. They were directed to the wrong path. It is our responsibility to show the right path to return to their original home. TTD should take measures to counter the Christian threat to Hindu Dharma. TTD board members should not turn their blind eye to the havoc being created by the Christians. Through Ghar Wapasi, TTD should actively engage in bringing the ex-Hindus back to Hinduism as a part of Hindu Dharma Prachara Parishad agenda. Pracharak means promotion, betterment, and advancement. TTD board members cannot shut their eyes, plug their ears, tie their tongues when a large-scale conversion of Hindus is happening at a rapid pace. TTD cannot be an island and remain a silent spectator, thinking that nothing is happening around us. What is happening around us is as important as what is happening inside TTD also. Now it is time for TTD to start Ghar Wapasi to stop the unethical conversion of Hindus and bring back those who converted to Christianity through deception and allurement. Dharmo Rakshati Rakshitaha. Om Namo Venkateshaya.